Hey everybody, I don't know if these are all gonna work or not. Let's get some lights on. Got myself a second shower in as many days, but yeah, crazy stuff going on. Mother Nature, don't ever mess with Mother Nature. Man, I gotta tell you, that was insane. Picking up the pieces now, as you can see here and up there. Stay tuned. Oh my gosh, there's hail! Look at all the hail! Oh my gosh! It's pummeling the entire RV! There's gotta be $half size hail out here! Holy cow! Oh, ow! Ooh, I actually got hit in the arm with that one. I'm gonna go inside. Wow, this is what we got here, folks. That's what's dropping on us right now. Holy cow. That's crazy. Totally got me in the arm right there, too. Wow. I gotta tell you, that was $half size hail. That was bigger than a quarter coming down. And I got myself right in the arm with that one. One of them got me right in the elbow. Wow. Broke through my skylights. Holy. Totally busted through these skylights. We just had this kind of hail come through. Totally shattered my skylights. Holy McIntyre. That was crazy. Wow. I gotta reach out and get my door shut. Jeez, I hope it didn't break anything else. That totally shredded stuff in here. Look at, there's ice down here. Totally blew my screen open and everything. Okay, most of it's over, but as you can tell, the frickin' house got beat to hell. I'm sure the RV got beat up too. Yep. I got frickin' dents and dings all over the side of the RV. Not horrible, but you can definitely tell. I mean, this thing got she got beat. I mean, we were taking hits left and right. Look at some of those, man. Those are crazy. Surprised. Oh, is the glass broken? No, it's not broken. Okay. Whew. I mean, look at some of those dents up there, dude. What the flip, dude? I didn't have dents like. Look at these dents. I'm just gonna get some plastic bags. There's so much water here dripping everywhere. I gotta just get this secured real quick. So I got the AC bagged way up there, and I've got all the rest of the skylights bagged. There's dents all over the place. We got hit massively, as you can see. So, yippee, Mother Nature, kicking some butt.